Alright guys, so something pretty awesome came in today, and that would be my Sobro coffee table. So I ordered this back in like May, and today is August, so it took a few months to come in. But let me show off a couple things that this thing can do. So we have syncing options for, oh that was a bad idea, syncing options for Bluetooth to TV. We have a cooler, which I'll show you, or small refrigerator, which you can slightly hear. You have LED lighting, which I'll show off at the end, as well as a Bluetooth speaker. So right here, this big drawer at the very front, it's a full-on mini fridge. And it's pretty cold in there. So I'd say it's probably about 40 degrees. And then we have two drawers. The top drawer just has the accessories for it, so I'll be taking that out. And then another bottom drawer. And then on the sides, we have two USB ports right here and two outlets right here. Well, let's see if we can see a little bit better on the other side. Right here. Let's pull out the phone and do this. So two outlets on this side. Two outlets and the two USB ports. Now the reason that you see this big stop sign on here, it says stop, wait 4 hours before plugging your Sobro in. That's because during delivery, if it were to get bounced around, move too much, the refrigerant that's in the compressor for the fridge could have bubbles in it or not all being where it's supposed to and permanently damage the compressor. So we're going to set the GoPro up on a tripod real quick, and then we're going to go ahead and remove the film on top, because I know a lot of people love to see that, and then we'll go through it. Thanks so much for watching, and if you guys have any questions, just leave them down in the comments below. As always, if you like the content I'm putting out, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay up to date with new content as it comes out. Thanks for watching. Take care.